Very good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture on microprocessors and interfacing devices. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the interfacing of switches and LEDs and interfacing of 7 segment displays to the 8086. So interfacing of 7 segment or LEDs to 8086 cannot be done in a straight manner. So in order to do this, we need to interface with another device. That is, we are going to use an interfacing device which is an 8255. See here, from the end of this, by the end of this lecture, we are going to complete the interfacing of 4 LEDs and 4 switches to 8086 and interfacing the 7 segment displays to the 8086. And coming to the first one, interfacing 4 LEDs and 4 switches. So here we are using an 8086 and an 8255. So 8086, this 8086 is interfaced with the switches and LEDs through the 8255, and this 8255 are coupled, these switches and LEDs are coupled to the 825 to the ports of 8255, and it is interfaced to the 8086. So to demultiplex the address lines here, address and data lines, a latch is being utilized here so that the 86 can be used either as 8-bit or a 16-bit. See here we have a D0 to D7, that means 8 bits. So we can use this 8086 as an 8-bit or a 16-bit address lines for interfacing with IO devices. And if the address of the IO device appears in the lines is AD0 to AD7, then 8 bits address lines are adopted, and if it is more than, that means AD15 to AD0, then 16-bit address lines are adopted here. So to interface these 4 switches and 4 LEDs with 8086 through 8255, we are going to use an 8-bit line, 8-bit address lines to address this 8255, and hence the address decoder decodes the address bus, that is from A0 to A7, to the address lines, okay, to these address lines, and the ports A0 and A1 are connected to the 2 addressing ports, that is A1 and A2 of 8255. So the address lines A0 to A7 are connected to A0 and A1 and ports of A1 and A2 lines. So further, the signals from the ports IO read and IO write are connected to the read-write ports of the 8255. That means the data which is transmitting from this decoder is been given to the 8255 through this read-write ports. And here interfacing of 4 LEDs and switches through 8255, the lower order 4 bits of port A, that is that will act as an out bit. The lower order bits of port A acts as an acting as an input and of 8255, and this is linked to 4 switches such that the port is joined to a logic 0. That means here we are connecting this port is joined to a logic 0 when the switches are open. Whenever the switches are open, then this all 4 pins will be connected to 0, and when these switches are closed, then all these pins are connected to the VCC, and the lower bit order 4 bits of port B, which these are acting as output. That means here we are giving the power supply, and these are the 4 LEDs what we have taken. These are input and these are output ports. So the lower order 4 bit of port B, which is acting as an output of 8255, are linked with the 4 LED LEDs. These are going to link with the 4 LEDs via an inverter. This is the inverter. Okay. When a logic 1 is applied, suppose if you are going to apply logic 1 here, sorry, this is the inverter. Whenever we are going to apply logic 1 here, that means here after applying 1 here, it becomes 0 here. See, if you are applying a value 1 here, then the output will become 0 here. Why? Because we have given an inverter, and from this it is going to connect with the cathode of the diode, so that the diode will be in on position. So, okay, it is in on position. Whenever we are going to connect a 0 here, that means the output will be 1 here, 0 here, and whenever the output is 1 here, then it will be in reverse bias and the LED will be in off position. So coming to the 7-segment display, interfacing of 7-segment display. A 7-segment display contains 7 LEDs from A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, A to G. And here we have a pin, another LED here is called a DP, that is decimal display. Okay, a 7-segment display contains 7 LEDs to display the decimal numbers. That means either 1, 2, 3 or 4, whatever it may be. And the alignments of the LEDs to form a 7-segment display here, and the appearance of various decimal numbers also will be appear in this session only. So the displays are ready for use in the form of a single DIP, that is nothing but dual inline package, and the package contains of 8 pins, one for each of the 7 segments. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pins are we have for one for the each line. Okay, the pins of for the 7 segments are named as A to G. Okay, and the pins for a decimal point is named as an DP. This is decimal point. Okay, apart from the 8 pins of the display, it is also having an VCC power supply pin also in there. So the 7-segment displays are available in 2 formats, that is a common anode format display and common cathode display. So in this, say here, see where this is an interfacing device, that means we are using an IC 7447 and we are connecting it to a 7-segment display, and this is connected to the microprocessor here, interface or 8255 interfacing, and then it is going to connect with the 8086. Okay, so coming to the types of segments, common anode display is common anode display. In this type in this type of display, the anode of all these 7 LED segments are joined together. Okay, all these are joined together to connect to a power supply. See here we have only one power supply here. So to light up the specific segment, the pin of the particular segment, that is from A to F or G, A to G is connected to a low voltage. That means, as we have seen, that is a common anode. That means whenever we are connecting this anode to logic 0 or logic low voltage, then only it is going to glow. So this is after whenever we are giving a logic 0, the anode will become forward bias and the LEDs may illustrate, and vice versa for the common cathode. We are going to give a logic high, and it is easy to interface this 7-segment displays with 8086 through an 8255. It will be pretty much easier. Okay, as I have already told you that interfacing of LEDs here, we are interfacing, this is our switches and LEDs, and here we are going to, here we are interfacing only these LEDs. See here, So 7 segment display, and this IC 7447 is a decoder that converts the 4-bit BCD code applied to its input into the form needed to be exhibit to the decimal number in the 7 segment display. That means whatever the data we are receiving from this will be given to us, and it is a decoder. It will be arranging the numbers in a 7-bit display. So, and IC 7447 is suitable to drive only common anode 7 segment display. This is useful for only common anode 7 segment display, but not cathode. Okay, so which is a specific segment, and that has to be eliminated by the IC 7447, and the output of logic 0 is applied to the pins to a specific segment also. That means here we are connecting this 7447 to an 8255, because this is a decoder, and it is very easy to decode the data which is present or which is being sent from the 8255 to the interface, or to display the 7 segment of LED. Okay, thank you.